Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I'm delighted to announce the release of my cookbook, the Thai cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. There's over 100 recipes in there and over 45 cooking videos to go along with this book, which are released every week, twice a week, from now until early next year. Slowly but surely to keep you entertained, right? There's stories of my life in there in Thailand and all kind of goodies. I want to thank all the folks that have already purchased this book. It really means a lot, and thanks for the support. All the way as far as New Zealand, Australia, Asia, Europe, UK, Americas, and my home country here, Saint Lucia in the Caribbean. So thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate that very much. Okay, so check it out on Amazon.com or on my website, chefsherlock.biz. I'm Ian Sherlock, and this is my cookbook. Lots of goodies to go with this book. I've already sold a few copies, but I need to get over 100 copies first before I open my Facebook Live lottery system. So some of you have not sent me the receipts. Send me the receipts to the email on the screen now, please, and I can enter you into my system. So anything, first 100 purchases, anything under $20 from my chef shop, anything under $30 for a second prize, and the first prize is a $50 cash value. After that, your names go back in the lottery system, so you can then promote for me, please. Don't forget, it's very important, because if I win, you win. And then after that, every 500 purchases, I will ump up the price. And if in the next 6 months from now, 5 months now, time's clicking, if I can get over 10,000 copies, here's the big prize. Third prize, $500 US cash sent to you wherever you are in the world. Second prize, $1,000 US sent to you wherever you are. And the first big grand prize is a trip to Saint Lucia on me for two for 1 whole week. Accommodation included at the wonderful, beautiful St. James Club. Check it out. That's right, all inclusive means the drinks, the booze, the drinks, the booze, the food is all on me. If you happen to win and you are living on this island, then you get the same package sent over to Jamaica, right? So check it out, folks, and don't forget, once you got the book, please send reviews, because when you type on Amazon the Thai cookbook, this comes up as a #1 cookbook on the list, and it really helps when I get reviews. So don't forget to check that out. Check out my merchandise on my chef shop. You can click on the chef shop icon if you want to get this through my my website. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel and all my YouTube stuff. Thanks for watching, folks, and bon appetit.